Hello dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus single out there, and this is a reading from today till the end of June. Okay, so let's see, and please keep this in mind that this reading will might or might not resonate with you because these are general love readings. Okay, these are journal readings. Okay, and these are for singles only. So let's start. So let's see what was your past energy regarding your love life. What was your energy in the past regarding your love life or your past relationship energy? Let's see. Nine of Cups. I feel like you were really happy in your past relationship with that particular person, whomsoever you were connected with, and I felt like you were feeling like this person is your wish fulfillment, and this is everything that you require in your life, that you need in your life regarding this relationship in the past. Let's clarify further. Might be you became over alcoholic, or you were overindulging yourself in the past in something that was not really required. Okay, let's clarify. But definitely you were feeling like this person is your wish fulfillment. Five of Wands, the Judgment, and the Nine of Cups again. Okay, in the past I feel like there was a hell lot of conflict between you guys, hell lot of fights between you guys, and nobody was able to listen to the other party. Ego games, ego mind games, ego battles, that was going on between you guys. And after that ego battles were over, you guys were ready to forgive each other. You started this connection all over again. Okay, you started this connection with forgiveness energy, and you forgive them and they forgive you, and then you started this connection all over again. That made you really happy. Okay, that made you feel like this is the connection that made me really happy, and this is my wish fulfillment. All I need in my life is this particular relationship or a person. This was your past energy. Let's see your current energy. Let's see what's your current energy regarding your love life, Taurus. So whomsoever you were connected with in the past, I feel like that was a person who, who were, just give me a second. I'm not getting the exact word actually, but I'm feeling like Taurus. Whomsoever you were connected in the past, this person and you were sharing a bond where you guys were constantly fighting with each other, and then you guys were forgiving each other. Then you were fighting again. Then you were forgiving each other. So there was a repetitive cycle. There was a repetitive cycle in this connection, but you still felt like all I need in my life is this particular relationship or this person. This was your past energy. Your present energy right now is the devil. Okay, right now you're feeling like stuck. You could be dealing with a Capricorn. So Taurus, you are feeling like you're stuck somewhere. You're not being able to come out of the situation, and you want to come out of the situation, but you are not able to, come out of the situation because Taurus, you are still feeling stuck on the past person. You are still feeling you have some kind of ties, or you have some kind of karmic relationship with this particular person, karmic ties with this particular person, and you are not able to break the chain with them completely. You are still stuck on the past person. Let's see if there is any third party situation here. There was any third party situation here. Let's see. The Emperor, the King of Cups, the Devil again. Okay, you could be dealing with an Aries, Taurus. So I feel like you made some kind of decision regarding this connection, and you were deeply in love in this connection. You are still feeling lots of love in this connection. So I feel like you have made some kind of decision that I am going to leave this person and I am going to cut the ties with this person. Or it could also be possible, Taurus, that you are feeling like I'm going to get this person no matter how hard it is for me, because you're stuck on them. You're possessive about them. You're obsessive about them somewhat. This is the situation. So I feel like you are very adamant. You are acting very adamant, and you have made some kind of decision, and you are going to be loyal to your own decision. Okay, you are feeling lots of love for this person. You still carry lots of emotions for this particular person from the past, and you are feeling stuck with them, obsessed with them, possessive, a little possessive, a little obsessive about them. This is the situation. You are still very much connected to them, and it's this connection. I feel like it's just in a negative way. So I feel like you are connected to this person, still you are connected to this person, but in a very negative way. This is the situation. This is toxic. This is something that is negative, but you are still, you are still, trying your best to make this positive, trying your best to make things work out between you guys. Okay. And for some of you, I can see third party situation here as well, because the devil is here two times. And let me tell you honestly, I feel like some of you might be using some kind of spells or some kind of black magic to get this person back in your life. This is for some of you, okay? And the devil here two times is telling me there's a third party interference here as well, and you want to remove the third party completely, and you want this person back in your life. This is your current energy, Taurus. And this is not at all resonating with me. I am a Taurus myself. See? Okay, let's see what the past person feels for you, Taurus. What the past person feels for you. Let's see. Eight of Cups. So I feel like this person is feeling like they should just walk away from this connection, and there's nothing left in this connection, and they should just focus on their life, focus on something else. So this person right now, whomsoever you were connected in the past, Taurus, this person is feeling like walking away. This person wants to move on. This is their feelings for you. This is what they are feeling, to walk away, to move on from this connection, because they are feeling, I told you, there's some kind of negativity or toxicity and some kind of shitty energy present here in this connection. And I feel like this person is taking a decision to move away, to move on permanently from you, from this connection. Let's clarify. Two of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Page of Swords. I feel like this person is, although this person sometimes feel like this is a soulmate connection, this is a match made in heaven. Still, they're very confused. They're juggling whether they should come to you, or they should just move away. They should just come to you, or they should just move away. But now they have taken some kind of decision. This is a very hard decision for them. This is a very blunt decision for them. But they are walking away. They are trying to walk away from the situation, from this toxicity, from this negativity. This is what they are doing right now. And for some of you, this person is spying on you and keeping a tab on you, not like physically, but yes, on social media or something like that. This person is watching you. This is the situation. Let's see what's your energy for a new love, or a new date, or a crush, or if somebody new is coming to you, or if you are allowing somebody new to come towards you. Let's see. Strength, you could be dealing with a Leo. Right now, you are not allowing anybody, Taurus, in your life as a lover. Right now, you are feeling like I should just be strengthful. I should be just courageous. I should be courageous enough to handle everything that is coming towards me. I should be just facing the truth. So right now, you're just trying to face the truth, and right now you're not ready for a new relationship at all. I'm feeling like that. Right now, you're just taming your inner lion, and this is a feminine kind of strength. Okay, this is not a masculine type of strength, which is like very rude. But yes, you are being very patient, you are being very careful, you are being very concerned about yourself only, and you are feeling like I should better stop right now. I should just better take care of myself right now. Okay, and come out of this toxicity and negativity that you are carrying from the past connection. Let's clarify the strength. Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Three of Cups. Okay, so I feel like you are hoping for a reconciliation. Okay, so right now you're taking your sweet ass time. You are moving in very slowly, taking very small steps, taking baby steps towards this connection, towards your life, regarding your love life, because you're mentally conflicted. You are feeling like you are in some kind of mental jail, and you are not able to come out of this situation anytime soon. That you are feeling, and you are hopeful about this reconciliation with this particular person from the past. You are feeling like I feel like now I'm getting the story that you are moving very slowly towards your love life, or moving, you are not desperate at all about anybody right now, if you are single. And I feel like you are mentally conflicted. You are pulling your walls very high regarding your emotional life, regarding your love life, and you just want to celebrate life as it is coming to you. Okay, this is the situation here. And for some of you, you are fearing the reconciliation. You are fearing like, if I go to this person, will they accept me, or will I accept them? So this is the situation that's going on right now in your current energy, and you're just trying to be happy with yourself. This is the situation. Acting very courageous, acting very solid, and facing whatever is coming towards you. This is the situation. Still, I feel like you're stuck on that past person. I don't know why I'm getting this energy again and again, that you are still stuck on the past very much, and that's why you're not able to move forward in your present energy right now. This is the situation. And this energy, this reading is not at all resembling with me. Might be it's your story, might be this is not my story today. Let's see what's coming towards you till then. end of June, Taurus. Let's see what's coming towards you, Taurus, till the end of June. Five of Swords. Ego battles, lots of ego battles, fighting with each other without any reason. Okay, and it might be might be the other party will win the argument but they will lose you, or you will win the argument but you will lose the particular person that you are connected with. Or this could also be possible that you guys are silent as fuck with each other because your egos, both of your egos are bruised right now, and you guys are not happy, in a happy state of mind, or happy state of mind, or calm or relaxed state of mind. And that's why you're just trying to be mature, and you're like, okay, if you are giving me this silent treatment, I'm going to give you the silent treatment only. If you're going to fight, I am going to fight as well, but I'm not going to give a fuck to your back, to your ego, to your bruised ego. I'm not going to put some kind of ointment on that. This is the situation. So you are feeling like, I'm not here to always make you happy, or make you always like comfortable or something like that. This is the situation. So I feel like both of you right now are dealing with the ego bruises. Okay, this is the situation. Let's clarify. Definitely, definitely. Okay, so I feel like this situation will come to an end. This painful cycle, whatever you are going through right now, Taurus, this painful situation will end till the end of the June, because I feel like you're deeply hurt, deeply hurt, and you're not allowing anybody at all to come towards you and hurt you again. You are going to fight for yourself. This is the situation. You're just going to fight. You're ready to fight for yourself, and you are trying to move on. Okay, you are trying to move on with grace. You are trying to move on from sincerity and maturity. You are feeling like, okay, no matter how hurt I am, no matter how hard it is to move on, but I'm going to move on, and I'm going to end this shit. I'm going to end this painful cycle between you and me. Okay, if not a breakup thing, this is the end of the cycle. This is the end of the painful connection that you are going through, or this is the end of the toxicity and and negativity that you are going through right now, Taurus. So this is the situation here. So I feel like till end of June there's some kind of battle going on, ego battle going on, and there's some kind of lots of pain, lots of bruised ego things, lots of confusion. This is basically this is basically going to be very complicated for you till the end of June. Okay, this is the situation here. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I know this is not a very good reading for you, but yes, definitely it's going to open your eyes for something new, and the future is very bright for Taurus. I can sense that. Okay, but this is not my story today. I feel like this will be your story, might be, or somebody else's story, but yeah, this is how it is. So thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.